Welcome to the D.TO tutorial series. In this video we will look at the review loop offered by the platform and understand it in detail. This is an especially valuable feature for junior staff in your firm. Think of it this way. When you are working on a detail and come across something that required feedback, D.TO's reviewing infrastructure provides the ideal space to discuss, refine and develop details tailored to your needs. Once you've loaded the platform and pinned it next to your Revit window, navigate to this button on the panel located on the left side. I'll be switching between different user roles through this demonstration to show how the reviewing system works on the platform. Right now, I'm using the member role to demonstrate how a team member can contribute to the platform library. To begin, we will use the In Review tab in the Reference Details section of the platform. We'll start by clicking the Contribute button in the platform window. This takes us to the Detail Upload interface. The first step is to export our Revit view to the platform. To do this, click the Add Files button in the Associated Files window, then select Export from Revit. This action extracts the detail from the active Revit window and uploads it to the platform. Along with the drawing, the platform automatically captures key metadata. The initial upload process is the same as the one we followed when uploading an individual detail. Next, you can assign a classification to the detail from the list of existing classifications. It's important to note that members can only assign classifications as they do not have the permission to create new ones. After assigning a classification, you can add notes and references in the description window using the built-in rich text editor available on the platform. If you choose to upload a detail by browsing a file from your computer, you'll need to manually fill in all the associated information. In most cases, it's recommended to upload details by exporting directly from Revit, as this method automatically captures key metadata and streamlines the process. Once you're satisfied with the information you've entered, click the Upload button. The uploaded detail will then be tagged with a Request for Review label, indicating that it's awaiting review by the Content Manager. Now, I've switched to an account with the Content Manager role. As you can see, the uploaded detail appears on the Content Manager screen with a Request for Review tag. Click the button represented by the three dots to open the action menu. From here, you have the option to edit the detail, accept it, reject it, or delete it. You can use the rich text editor within the Detail Edit window to add notes, suggestions, or feedback for improvement. Once you've added your comments, click Reject from the menu. This will assign a Requires Revision tag to the detail. Switching back to the Members screen, you'll see that the detail is now marked with the Requires Revision tag. After making the necessary updates to the drawing, click the button represented by the three dots once again, and select Request Review to resubmit the detail for evaluation. This is how collaboration works on the platform between team members. Once the Content Manager is satisfied with the submitted detail, they can click the Accept button from the menu. The detail will then move to the draft window, where final checks can be performed before publishing. From this point on, the process follows the same steps we covered in the previous video, where you publish the detail to the library. Once published, members and other team members can view the detail in the library and use it in their future projects. Now you know how to use the review system provided by the platform. In the next video we will dive deeper into how classifications work and understand them in depth. Thanks for watching.